simple as a liar. Whoever told you peace is easy, don't admire. I wanna hold you, but I can't control the fire. The finest burning ain't no putting out that light yet. Desire turns to desire, turns into a quiet old man full of white hair. Thought we had it all planned out in a high chair, but even then everything was a fight, yeah. Peas and carrots, what we inherit. I see the merit in displeasing parents, no need to sugarcoat it. I see the need for being married, but who would condone it? When your dreams are being buried and it seems you've been disowned, I say hold on to the little piece of you that's still upon you. Blink twice and where's it gone to? Think twice, but what it gon' do? If this the type of life you want to, just let it on you. I say so how am I gonna hold you when this love is so disarming? Thought I was so lucky cause you told me I was charming. Nobody told you making money is a problem. For a rapper ain't it funny how it's always so alarming. Same with actors, same with authors, all the same. Just blame the artists, hard them all, the poets pardon. I'm always starving for attention. Tens of thousands couldn't mention I am worthy, but I'm thirsty, ain't it now so you could quench it. I'm defenseless, I'm always swinging for the fences. Yeah, I'm always swinging for the fences. I'm always swinging for the fences. I'm always swinging and trying to hold on to this feeling while believing in this journey. It won't hurt me more than needed. It won't hit me in a hurry. I just wanna call it even, but you leaving me defenseless. I'm always swinging and